Let's turn to our weather now. First Alert meteorologist Lauren Bostwick. Talk about, it's going to be a cold start tomorrow, but then things start to really warm up.
I know, I'm excited. I'm ready for some warmer weather. And guys, we are going to be in the upper 70s by Sunday. So great football weather will be expected, and football watching weather too. Now, I want to talk about what's happening right now. Our big system that passed through yesterday is still impacting us because it brought in a little bit of a colder air mass, but we're also seeing winds come from the north that are gusting anywhere from around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, this system has pushed off into the eastern coast, now impacting Georgia and the panhandle of Florida, stretching into the Carolinas. We won't have to deal with this anymore as it continues to move off to the east. Something I am keeping an eye out for is a little bit of cloud cover that's up along the Red River Valley and into Oklahoma. It's sagging down to the south and to the east as we speak. More cloud cover across, well, North Texas will be expected through the morning and into the afternoon. Then it'll start to dissipate. You can really see that close up right here. All of that gray is just showing us the cloud cover in the sky, and some of the green, maybe a couple sprinkles will be possible. But generally speaking, most of us will be staying on the drier end of the spectrum. So not going to be anticipating any big impactful weather or heavy downpours today. But here's a look at our graph forecast model that shows us a little bit of cloud cover, maybe a couple sprinkles moving through the rest of the afternoon. By the evening hours, we start to clear things up, mostly clear night ahead. Since we see a mostly clear night, radiational cooling will take place, and guess what that means? A nice, crisp, chilly morning for tomorrow. Let's talk about current temperatures right now. Since I am tracking a little bit of cloud cover up along the Red River Valley, you can see that's actually where temperatures are a little bit cooler. So 43 degrees into Gainesville. That's the case into Sherman, but down to the south into Hillsborough and Corsicana, we're at 54. It's all because of that cloud cover. It is not allowing that sun and heat and radiation from the sun to warm us up. So that's why we'll see temperatures a little bit cooler today, because a little bit of cloud cover will be expected throughout the rest of the afternoon. However, temperatures still climbing right where we should be for this time of the year, in the middle to upper 50s by lunchtime. And we will continue to see that into the afternoon, I should say. Temperatures will decline into the overnight, mostly clear night ahead, and a very cool and crisp morning is going to be anticipated. 36 for you in Dallas. 35 when you wake up into Thursday morning into Fort Worth. But some of us along the outer counties could even see a light freeze. So freezing temperatures will be possible into our outer counties moving into the morning hours tomorrow. Just a heads up. Let's talk about this weekend. I know I'm excited. A lot of others are getting excited as well. We're talking about some good weather to just be out and about. 75 degrees is the forecast high temperature into Saturday, Super Bowl Sunday. We're looking at 77 degrees. Fabulous weather, partly cloudy skies, slight breeze out from the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Why will we be bringing on the heat? Well, it's because of this high pressure system that'll continue to dominate in the upper levels of the atmosphere. But I am tracking our next weather maker. That low pressure system is over into the Pacific Ocean. It'll gradually shift off to the east as we move into next week. And that's when we're looking at the shot of rainfall and a couple of thunderstorms. Again, that's Monday night and into Tuesday. Till we get there, it'll be dry, sunny, and this weekend, sunny and 70.